Hello guys, and I'm Tamarasan. So from this video we'll be starting with the new series on SQL. First we will move on to the basics of DBMS, database management system, and later we will proceed with SQL. First we will see what SQL is. SQL can be called as SQL. So when it comes as SQL, the first question comes into mind is what is SQL is. So it's nothing but it's a structured query language which is standard for most of the RDBMS system. So when RDBMS is nothing but a relational database management system. For some of the examples of relational database management system or Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, etc. The next one is why we need SQL. The first thing is it allows users to access RDBMS. So it's something you can query the RDBMS and you can get some results out of it. Also, it allows the user to describe the data. Describe data is nothing but how the table should be, out of the four columns should it contains. Also, it allows the user to manipulate the data. So I can do some manipulations with the data. I can make some calculations about the data and I can get the results. So it allows user to set permission. I can say who are the users have the rights to access the table created by me. These are some uses of SQL. Okay, now let us move on to the SQL commands, different types of SQL commands. When it comes to command, there are three different languages which SQL encompass. One is DDL, DML and DCL. DDL is nothing but a data definition language which we use to create or alter tables. The DDL's data definition languages are it contains different statements. One is create, which you use to create a particular table. Next one is alter. You have already created a table, so you have to modify. For example, I have to add a new column or drop a column. So I will be using this alter command. The next thing is drop. Drop is nothing but dropping a table from the database. We also have a truncate, which is different from drop. Truncate and delete, which is used to clear the data. Truncate will completely remove the data from the table, which is auto commit. You will see it later. Next, DML. DML is nothing but data manipulation language. So data definition language used to describe the data, whereas data manipulation language will help us in manipulating the data. Select, where you can select the content of a table. In insert, with insert you can insert a data into the table. And there is also update. You can update a particular record in the table and delete. As I said, truncate and delete are two different things. So you should not confuse with drop, delete and truncate. Drop will remove the table from the database, whereas delete, there is a possibility you can delete a particular row or a particular row or a complete table, and truncate will completely delete all the contents of the table. Next, moving on, DCL. DCL is nothing but data constraint language. There are two different commands in this DCL. One is grant, where you can grant permissions to other users for the tables you created or so, and so on, and revoke. Also, you can revoke the permissions which you have granted. So these are the basics of SQL. Next, we will see about the basics of RDBMS. What is a table, what is a row, what's a column is all about. Thank you guys. If you like my video, just like and share. Just like and subscribe. Thank you.